I like curry dishes, and it is not just because of taste. Curry is full of antioxidants, and it is very healthy food. But I never cooked them because I thought it would be too complicated. I was intimidated by unknown. However, this is surprisingly easy. All you need is curry paste and coconut milk. Then you just add your favorite vegetables and your favorite protein, the amount to your taste. A few minutes of cooking and it is done. The star of the show is curry paste. The taste of your dish will come from there. There are different kinds of curry: red, green, yellow, Penang. Today I will cook Penang curry. A word of advice: buy them in Asian markets. They are more authentic there and taste better than supermarkets. For example, I tried Walmart and the curry didn't have much taste of curry. Instead, it was overly sweet. Now, the rest of the ingredients. Coconut milk. Again, try to buy it in Asian markets. Next, vegetables. I suggest carrot, green beans, and sweet pepper, but you can use any vegetables you like. Finally, meat. Today I will use shrimps, but you can use any meat: chicken, pork, fish, etc. Also, it doesn't have to be meat. For example, you can use tofu. Here is summary. All our ingredients are ready. Of course, the vegetables must be cut. However, I don't cut baby carrots. So, let the cooking begin and warm up the pan. I'm going to make 2 servings. Pour there about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. It can be soybean, sunflower, canola. I use sunflower. And 1 tablespoon of the paste. Mix and add about a half cup of coconut milk. Continue heating and mixing. By the way, as a reminder, I'm not a chef. I'm a scientist and writer. I just give you an idea, so the chances are you may do it better than me. If you like curry taste stronger, add more paste. However, this will make it more spicy. I like curry taste, but not too spicy. So I add some non-spicy curry powder, about 1 tablespoon. Now add vegetables, continue mixing, and cook it for 2-3 minutes. Add some sugar to your taste. I take 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Add a bit of water or more milk to increase the amount of the sauce. Finally, add shrimps. Cook for about 1 minute. Don't overcook, because shrimps will become tough and rubbery. Done! Eat with rice. Healthy and tasty. And here my ingredients for 2 servings. Enjoy and don't forget the subscribe button.